You know him for X, Tesla, and SpaceX, but now Elon Musk is coming to Memphis to build the world's largest supercomputer.
The AI era is here, and it's shaking the tech world to its core. Billionaires are either soaring to new heights or facing massive losses.
This week alone, about a dozen major companies announced job cuts, including Amazon and Google's parent Alphabet.
Amazon, Apple, Meta, and Google are in a fierce race to dominate AI. So why are tech billionaires afraid of the AI era? Well, we will find that out in this video and cover the financial roller coasters, ethical dilemmas, and intense competition they're facing. Are these billionaires scared of losing their empires to AI? Or are they worried about the ethical implications of this powerful technology? Let's find out in this video and see why the AI revolution is causing such a stir among the world's richest and most powerful tech leaders. The volatile financial landscape. Let's start with the money. The AI era is making the financial landscape very unpredictable for tech billionaires. One day, companies like Amazon are booming, and the next, they're losing billions.
Carmaker Tesla announced a profit plunge. Google's parent company Alphabet tallied extraordinary spending on AI, and the value of a share in chipmaker Nvidia down seemingly in sympathy.
The problem is that AI technology is changing so quickly. Companies have to constantly innovate and adapt to stay ahead. This creates a lot of pressure and uncertainty. If a company fails to keep up, it can lose market share and face huge financial losses. Even the biggest tech giants aren't safe from this. Apple is a good example. They're usually very cautious with new technology. While they have invested in AI, they haven't gone all in like some of their competitors. This strategy helps them avoid massive financial risks, but it also means they could fall behind if they don't push forward soon enough. On the other hand, companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, are pouring money into AI. They're betting big on it, hoping to stay ahead of the competition. But this comes with its own risks. If their AI projects don't pay off, they could face significant financial trouble. Elon Musk's ventures, like Tesla and SpaceX, are also heavily invested in AI. Musk is a big believer in AI's potential, but he's also aware of the financial risks. If AI development doesn't go as planned, it could mean huge losses for his companies. The ethical and moral dilemmas. Beyond the financial roller coaster, tech billionaires are also worried about the ethical and moral dilemmas that come with AI. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, it can perform tasks that were once done by humans. This could lead to massive job losses across various industries. For example, self-driving cars might replace truck drivers, and AI customer service bots could take over call center jobs. This creates a moral dilemma for tech leaders. They want to push forward with AI development, but they also need to consider the impact on workers and society. Privacy is another major issue. AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data. While this data can be used to improve services and products, it also raises serious privacy concerns. Companies like Google and Meta are constantly under scrutiny for how they handle user data. Any misuse can lead to public outrage and legal trouble. Elon Musk, who is a big advocate for AI, often talks about the ethical implications. He's concerned about the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways, such as creating autonomous weapons. This has led him to support regulations and ethical guidelines for AI development. Even companies that benefit greatly from AI, like Amazon, have to deal with these ethical issues. They need to ensure that their AI technologies are used responsibly and that they don't harm society. This is a delicate balance, and any misstep could damage their reputation and lead to public backlash. In conclusion, the ethical and moral dilemmas of AI are a major concern for tech billionaires. They have to navigate these challenges carefully to ensure that AI benefits society without causing harm. This adds another layer of complexity to the already volatile world of AI, making it both an exciting and nerve-wracking time for tech leaders. The race for dominance. The battle for control in the AI world is like a never-ending race where every tech giant is trying to outpace the others. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and even Elon Musk are pouring billions of dollars into AI, each with their own plans and strategies. This fierce competition is not just about staying on top. It's also about changing the way entire industries work and pushing the limits of what technology can do. Google has been a leader in AI for years. Backed by its parent company, Alphabet, Google has invested over $120 billion into AI over the last decade. This money goes into projects like DeepMind and Google Brain, which are at the forefront of AI research. AI is deeply embedded in Google's search engine, advertising systems, and cloud services. Thanks to these investments, Google has made huge profits, especially from AI-powered advertising. Microsoft's approach to AI is focused on partnerships and smart investments. The company has put over $13 billion into AI, with a major $10 billion chunk going to OpenAI. This partnership allows Microsoft to use advanced AI models like GPT-4 in its products like Azure and Office 365. This collaboration has been a big win for Microsoft, boosting the use of Azure's AI services and positioning the company as a leader in AI for businesses. Amazon is also making big moves in AI, from its e-commerce roots to its cloud computing services. Recently, Amazon invested $4 billion in the AI startup Anthropic to strengthen its generative AI capabilities. However, this hasn't been without challenges. In the second quarter of 2024, Amazon saw a hit to its earnings due to the high costs of integrating AI across its operations. Despite these bumps, Amazon is pushing forward with AI in areas like AWS, logistics, and customer service, aiming to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Meta is betting heavily on AI to create its vision of the metaverse. The company spends about $10 billion a year on Reality Labs, focusing on AI for content moderation, recommendations, and immersive VR and AR technologies. These investments are key to Meta's plan to build a more interactive and AI-driven digital world. While the financial returns are still developing, Meta is committed to making the metaverse a reality. Apple's focus on AI is all about improving user experiences. The company has invested more than $10 billion in AI, buying startups and funding internal research. You can see the results in products like iOS, Siri, and the new Apple Vision Pro. Even though it's hard to separate AI's direct financial impact from Apple's overall earnings, it's clear that these AI investments are helping Apple stay at the forefront of innovation and customer satisfaction. Elon Musk's AI ventures are centered around Tesla's self-driving technology and Neuralink. Tesla has spent billions developing its full self-driving FSD system, aiming to revolutionize how we travel. However, this project is costly and faces many regulatory challenges. Musk's other AI project, Neuralink, is exploring the cutting edge of AI and neuroscience, working on brain-machine interfaces that could change the way we interact with technology. So the bigger picture is that the AI market is growing fast, with experts predicting it could be worth $500 billion by 2024. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Meta are setting the pace, driving innovation, and creating new trends. Google leads in AI for search and ads, Microsoft excels in AI for cloud services, and Meta is pushing boundaries with its metaverse ambitions. Amazon and Apple are also key players, using AI in e-commerce, cloud services, and consumer products. At the center of this race is the push to develop advanced AI models. Companies are working on AI that can do everything from generating human-like text to driving cars on their own. This race is not just about who has the best technology. It's also about who can grab the biggest share of the market and shape the future of entire industries. The future outlook. Looking ahead, the future of AI holds both promise and uncertainty. Tech billionaires are aware that AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment. AI could make things better, faster, and more efficient. For instance, AI could help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It could create personalized learning experiences for students, tailored to their individual needs. Self-driving cars could reduce accidents and make transportation safer and more efficient. The possibilities are endless. However, with these possibilities come significant challenges. The rapid pace of AI development means that tech companies must constantly adapt. They need to address ethical concerns, ensure privacy, and manage the economic impact of AI on jobs and industries. Elon Musk often warns about the potential dangers of AI, such as the risk of creating autonomous weapons or AI systems that act against human interests. He advocates for strict regulations and ethical guidelines to ensure AI is developed safely. Tech billionaires also know that the public's perception of AI will play a crucial role in its acceptance. They need to build trust by being transparent about how AI works and how it's used. Companies like Google and Amazon are already taking steps to educate the public about AI and its benefits. The race for AI dominance is more than just a battle of tech giants. It's about shaping the future of our world. With billions being invested and entire industries being reshaped, the stakes couldn't be higher. Each company, whether it's Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Apple, or Elon Musk's ventures, has its own approach, but all are striving for the same goal: to lead in the AI era. As this competition unfolds, the only certainty is that the landscape of technology will never be the same. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more on business and tech.